Hello guys, so I got my first dose of my SINOVAC vaccine last May 31st in Quezon City. If you are working or residing in QZ, I will be posting the link below where you can register. So make sure that you have breakfast first before going when you're scheduled in the morning. Don't forget to bring a ball pen with you, your medical certificate, an ID, and a screenshot of your appointment. So I was scheduled at 10 a.m. I got there at 9:45. They give you this form and they really make sure that you have the appointment on that day. So once you're done, they will call you to go to the site and they will get your temperature first before the first step of screening. So the first step is health screening. They check your BP and screen your health declaration form. And the second step would be the vaccination. So it's really fast. So they check again your form. They prepare your vaccine. So there I was just waiting for the doctor to inject. And guys, really not painful unless you are scared of vaccine. So step 3 would be the post-vaccination monitoring. You stay there or take some rest for 15 minutes before getting your BP. Yeah, so after getting your BP and once you're done, you're okay, you're good to go. Yeah, thank you guys for watching.